Managing invoices can be a pain. It takes forever, can be prone to errors, and let's face it, sending your customer a PDF isn't a great user experience. That's why we created DocumentLink. Built into the Blackthorn Payments application at no additional cost, DocumentLink gives you the power to create mobile-responsive, PCI-compliant invoices payable directly on the web via easily shareable links. And because all this happens in Salesforce, your invoices are automatically tied to the account you're billing, keeping you, your team, and your trusted CRM neat and organized. So let's see how it works. You can create new sales documents from the Sales Documents tab in Blackthorn Payments, or you can do it straight from an account record. Let's create one from this demo account. We'll select the invoice option and then fill out some of the information. The invoice name will be auto-generated when saved, so for now, we'll simply add a short subject or description, select the currency we want to charge, add a due date, and then set any other net payment terms we might want to have. Next, we need to choose our payment gateway, and then enable the payment methods we'd like to offer. The total section will be filled out once we add line items in a moment. Below that, our account is already pre-populated, and all the other account information will be added once we click Save. Now that our invoice is created, we can see that the billing and address information was automatically pulled into those fields. Next, we need to add some line items to this invoice. This is where the power of invoices and DocumentLink shines. Each line item is automatically related to the invoice we're currently working on, and you also have the ability to relate it to current products or price books that you may have. You can also create one-off line items with its own price, quantity, discount, start and end dates, and more. Let's quickly add a few more line items to this invoice before we send it over to our customer. Once all the line items are saved, the sales document record automatically calculates the new gross and net amounts with any discounts you may have applied. Now that our invoice is ready to send, we can scroll down on the sales document record to find the document link. This can be easily emailed to your customer, and you can even make custom actions or flows to automate this process. Now that your customer has the invoice, they'll be able to see the line items, how much they owe, and submit a payment. And the best part, DocumentLink is completely mobile responsive, so your customers can make a payment on virtually any device. Depending on what payment methods we enabled, they'll be able to input their information and securely pay this invoice. And if we head back into the sales document record in Salesforce, we can see that the payment is automatically updated to completed and paid, and the balance paid is updated accordingly. If you're frustrated with manually handling invoices outside of Salesforce, then it's time for a change. Install a free trial of Blackthorn Payments to try out DocumentLink for yourself, or talk to our rockstar sales team over at blackthorn.io.